What's going on? Welcome to today's video. My name is Colton, and today I'm going to highlight an amazing deal you don't want to miss out on using a little bit of girl math. No offense. This is a sponsored video by Lowe's, but I'm going to show you the receipts and kind of walk through what I did in order to get this amazing deal. So if you go to Lowe's right now online, you can actually look for specifically this product right here. This is a 2-battery pack with a charger. I believe it's for $2.99. Now, if you buy one of these, you actually get 2 tools free. Yeah. So what I did was actually bought 2 of them, 2 battery packs, and I got 4 free tools, all by DeWalt. This right here is initially what I paid for. All of this was free. So paid $2.99 each, ultimately $600 for this, and I got the jigsaw, the reciprocating, the router, and the circular saw, all for free with this deal. So I'm gonna go to Lowes.com. Christmas is right in the corner, knowing that Black Friday is also here. What I'm gonna do is search for the DeWalt battery to show you how you can take advantage of this tool, or this deal, excuse me. The very, very first one, bestseller. That's a nice little flag and icon that you can see here on the actual product. $2.99. 383 people have currently reviewed this at a 4.7 star. So it seemed to be a pretty good deal. One thing actually I just noticed is if you don't want to spend, double this, 600 and whatever dollars after tax, you can spend $450. You buy this deal, you actually get 2 larger batteries, so they're a little bit heavier, they last longer. They have the 8 amp hour versus the 5. You actually get 3 tools. So this may be an option for you if you don't want to spend, if 600's like, ouch, that's a little bit too much. So looking at this deal specifically, you look at these 2 batteries, you have the charger, pretty basic, straightforward. But what you want to do is you want to come over here to choose your gifts. This little option here will show up at the side. It defaults to another battery, but I'm going to deselect that. Jigsaw, I'm going to keep selected, and then I'm going to do the router, and then I'm going to add that. Great. Added to the cart. I'm going to keep shopping, and then I'm going to do it again. So choose your gifts. Add these 2 to the cart as well. Free gifts with purchase. Awesome, great. I'm gonna view the cart and I'll show you that I have these 2 deals, $2.99 each. I'm saving $4.88 on the first combo and then $4.58 on the next combo. If I tried to do this again, it actually tells you can only do 2 per order. I did want to show you start secure checkout. I'm not gonna enter all this information here, but off to the side, you'll see it's $5.98. $2.99 for the battery pack and the charger, and these tools are for free. And you do rinse and repeat. All up, you're looking at just under $1,000 in savings with $643. Sure, you joke about girl math. There's all those things out there. Ultimately, saving money is just not spending it, right? But where this is beneficial is if you're already in the market and you're looking at DeWalt Tools, saving just under $1,000, I feel like that's a pretty good deal otherwise. So I mean, think of Christmas, think of other things that you could save up for. I'm gonna go back one more and check out this deal for you really quick. So this is the bigger battery, but same thing. I'm actually just gonna do this one time. But if you go to choose your gifts, it looks like it's the exact same tool selection. I'm gonna deselect the battery and do the most expensive ones. So you're spending $450, you're saving $717. So this may be a better route if you just want a few tools with 2 really good batteries. I want to secure checkout here just to make sure. Yeah, $450, free. So if you see a lot of Black Friday deals going on right now, or you search for a lot of Black Friday deals going on right now, you're gonna see a lot of people just with their camera or their phone in the store, highlighting a deal, picking up a product. That's awesome and great, and that works for some people, but I wanted to specifically focus on this one deal and show you how to do it online, just because it's a little bit easier, it's quicker, you don't have to deal with the crowds, you don't have to deal with going into the store, and you can get all of these products shipped to your house. So go take advantage of these deals. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, do so down below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.